In this example, we're working with the same table we used in the previous exercises, but with one important addition. Here, we've already calculated the total games played and the points earned by each team. In column H, we've calculated the percentage of points each team has earned out of the total points. However, there's one small issue. If we assume that Lazio's points aren't available, the formula calculating Lazio's percentage of the total points will return an error message. But don't worry. There's a simple way to handle such errors. The solution is to use the IFERROR function. This function works in two parts. First, you specify the cell or formula you're checking for errors. And second, you decide what should be displayed when an error is encountered. In our example, we'll start by typing IFERROR before the formula that calculates the percentages. The formula will now check if there's an error in the percentage calculation. The second argument is what we want to show if there is indeed an error. You can choose to display a number, a text message, or leave it blank, depending on your needs. In this case, I've decided to display the message "Data not available" whenever there's an error. Once the formula is set up, we can apply it to the entire range. Now, instead of seeing an error message where the data is missing, we'll see "Data not available." This makes our table much more user-friendly and prevents it from looking messy. That's all for now. Thanks for following along and see you next time.